So guys, how are we doing? So as you can see, this video is going to be teaching you on how to register with a broker. So when you get on the page, you are going to see a pin post here. As you can see, it says open a broker account with Exness and fund it with any amount. So you click on that link. I say I have clicked on it, and if you click on it, does not open with Chrome browser, just copy the link and try to paste it on your Chrome browser. So when you get to this place, this is the place it will take you to. When you get there, as you can see, this is the place it will get to take you to. All you just have to do is click on register. When you click on the register button, it looks like this. It said create an account. Now you put your country, your Gmail that you are using that is active, and then you put your password. This, you can see the instructions. They only need 8 to 15 characters of a password and at least one upper and one lower case letter. So you just fill these instructions and then put your information. So to give you a better understanding, I'm going to be creating a new Exness account here. So firstly, your country. Click on the country box. I'm in Cordova. I type in Cordova, the Gmail I want to use. Go to the Gmail you want to use for it. The Gmail you are using for it. So give me some minute, please. I need to search for a Gmail to use. So I'm going to be using this Gmail. I'm going to be using this Gmail. Is it click store at gmail.com. Then the password, as I said, an uppercase password. One at, as you can see, then partner code optional. Just leave that, or just click on I declare, I confirm that I am not citizen and resident of the US for tax process, and just click on continue. So when it continues, it's loading, as you can see. Now choose your trade leverage updated, your current leverage. Just don't worry about that one. Just go to demo account. As you can see, this is a demo account. But we don't actually need this, right? Sorry for that. Let me go to my Chrome back, please. How did he take me out? Exness. So let me sign in back. Click. So as you can see, this is my account, the new account I just opened. As you can see, this is it here. New account I just opened. As you can see, this is the demo account, which you can actually edit it. You can see these 3 options. All you just have to do is change, but this is demo. There's nothing I don't have business with demo. I'm teaching you forex so that you can deposit minimum of $10 to it. So now, but before you deposit, you need to verify this account. You need to verify this account, because if without verifying the account, you can't when you deposit money, you can't withdraw it out, you see. So we need to verify the account. So how do you verify your account? You click on this option. Let's click on this option. Settings. Let me see settings. Voila. So when you get to settings, you can see not verified. As you can see, my phone number, everything. I need to add phone number as well. minimum deposit for now is $2,000 because I have not verified my account. So what did you need to verify your account? To verify your account, all you just need is verify your identity here. Let's complete now. When you click on complete now, it's loading. So number one, you need to confirm our email address by approving the email address. So they are going to send an email to me. So I'm going to send an email. Just you have to click get started. So an email will be sent to my email that I submitted. So they have sent the email. I'm expecting it here now. So the email just got coming to my email now. So I will just have to put the code 695258. Then you can see the email is verified. Then I need a phone number as well. I just have to do is confirm phone. You put your phone 0. For now my SIM card is not actually on my phone, as you can see, so I'm not going to verify your phone, but you just have to follow the step. Okay, so you just have to follow the step. So the next one is verify your identity. Now to verify identity, this is exactly where we are coming to, but I think I will need to verify the phone number. Let me say complete now. Add the profile information. So I will pause this video, I will reset my phone number, and then I will do it again. Okay guys, so I'm back. So as you can see, there is a network on my phone now. So as you can see, as I log in back, it's telling me that hello, fill in your account details to make your first deposit. We click on complete now, and then you verified our Gmail. Now we want to verify our phone number, confirm phone number. Then I put my phone number 2922. Then I click on confirm phone. This number is connected to one of my accounts with them, so it's my don't know. Okay, as you can see, the 502550 ish 50255 50255. So as you can see, the phone number is verified as well. Now add profile information. Then your name, it should be the same name on your ID card, because you are going to submit your ID card, either your passport or a NEPA bill, or either your passport, the same name that is on your passport or your ID card. It should be the same name. Your national ID card, it should be the same name you are putting here, because they are going to verify it. So my name, Olawo Samson Kola. Then date of birth 1996. Okay, so your address, it should be the same address on either your bank statement, either you want to use your bank statement, you want to submit it as proof of address, it should be the same. It should be the same, because if it is not the same, you might get rejected several times. Exness is one of the biggest broker for forex traders, so they are very restricted. If you are lucky, they accept you. You are lucky for life, because when you make trade and you want to make deposit or you want to make your withdrawal, your money gets to your bank instantly. You can withdraw to your mobile money, you can withdraw to your bank account, you can withdraw to your Binance account. So it's instantly. So you have to put the same address that is in either your bank statement or your NEPA bill, because you need all these things. So for example, my bank statement, the address that is there is this is the address that is in my bank statement. So I'm a male. Then click on continue. Then what is the purpose of opening your account? Investment, hedging, speculation. Just click on speculation, or you can choose anyone. Please select your source of income and wealth. You can choose anyone from all this, anyone from it, okay? Anyone from it. This does not really care anything. What is your occupation or industry? Anything, as I said, it does not mean anything. Now total, these as well does not mean anything, okay? Self-employed, what is your yearly income? All these questions does not mean anything, okay? What is your CFD trading experience with real money trading during the last 3 years? As I said, all these does not mean anything. How much time do you spend on market analysis, reading news, and then become a full-time professional trader? What trading instrument do you plan to use? As I said, this does not mean anything. But I think this one, you just have to click on what I am clicking now. You'll be using metal gold, you'll be using forex, you'll be using metals, you'll be using forex, and be using cryptocurrency. So everything will be added to your distance. So about how did you hear about forex trading? Just said friends and family, and then it's all set. You can see now verify identity. Don't deposit here, verify identity. Now you can see document verification. On the next screen, we will ask you to upload one of 2 documents that can prove your name and country, region or residence, your current place of residence. So it does not mean if you are in Nigeria, or you are in South Africa, or you are any country, and you now reside in another country, does not mean, okay? All you just have to do is, you are going to see the differences where you are going to put your name. For example, now he thought that I'm an Ivorian. That is why I put Ivory Coast. So he said upload document. On the upload document aspect, I'm going to tell you which country documents are you uploading. That is when you are going to put it. So these ones, I am not a US citizen. Put it there. Verify identity. Now select, this is the first one. Is it which country are you verifying? Now you now click I'm in Nigerian. So you search for Nigeria. You search for Nigeria. Search for Nigeria. So as you can see, this is Nigeria. Then what identity this thing you want to use? Is it passport? Is it driver license, national ID card, or digital national ID card front and back? It's digital NIN slip front and back. NIN slip recommended. Now permanent voters card front and back. You can see. So these are the things that you need. Any of these things, you just have to click one that you know that you have it. Then all you just have to do is, with this passport, this place, you click on it and then you upload it. And then the next one, let me try to see if my passport is on my gallery. It's my passport. Okay, this is my passport. You can see my passport is on my gallery. Then I click on it. Information from your document cannot be read. Make sure that the data is visible and clear. Also ensure that you selected the right document type and country. Submit new, as you can see. So it are very strict. It's telling me that the document I selected is not clear. Meanwhile, the thing is clear. So make now just to say it's not really. It's not. I don't know if they will accept this one though. So let me try it again and see. Okay, they have accepted this one. So all you just have to do is click on submit. Now your documents are under review, all set. You can don't mind them, don't deposit though. Go back again, complete now. Don't mind them. You still need wahala. This is the next one, verify residence. Now this is where you are going to either use, you can see where are the DBUs. Okay, this is utility bill, which is electricity, water, gas, any bill for internet, cable that states that name, that same name must be on this document that you're about to submit. Is it a bank statement? Is it credit card statement? Is it residence permit, affidavit, certificate or resident, tax bill, tax return, any government issued ID issue document? So these are the things that you need to submit. For me, I would have used my utility bill, my bank statements, but I think I don't have any bank statements currently on my file. Let me see this. I don't think I have any bank statements. Residency. Let me use this resident. So as you can see, I've submitted I've submitted residency, and let me just see if they will accept it. So I've submitted it, then they will not review it. Sometimes they do reject, you see, sometimes they do. So now it's telling us to deposit. So don't deposit yet, I just want to teach you on how to deposit. So as you can see, they have mobile money and they also have bank. Either you have Visa, either you have Jamo or you have Push, you can use it. It's because I have not been verified yet, that is why all these are not open. If they verified me, all these will open. As you can see, it's only mobile money that is open, and the minimum amount you can deposit is $10. Minimum amount you can deposit is $10. So guys, that is it. I don't want this video to be long. That is it. So how do you connect your broker to your MetaTrader 5? That will be on another video, because I don't want this video too long. That will be on another video. So guys, take care, and just watch it. Anyway you are confused, just send me a message or just comment below, and I'm going to, if you are watching this on my YouTube, please do to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this on the, yes, please do subscribe. I will post it on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I might as well post it on Telegram, my Telegram channel as well, but I think I will not post it on the Telegram channel. I'll post it on my YouTube, and then you can go there and watch it. So guys, take care of yourself, and have a wonderful trading session.